Now we'll come to sixth question. 0.2 comma 0.22 comma 0.222 comma 0.22222. So here we are given first term a1 is equal to 0.2, second term a2 is equal to 0.22, third term a3 is equal to 0.222, fourth term a4 is equal to 0.2222. To know whether these numbers are forming an AP or not, we have to find common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 0.22 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.02. Again, D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is 0.222 minus A2 is 0.22, which is equal to 0.002. Here I showed you how to do the subtraction. Next, D is equal to A4 minus A3. 0.2222 minus 0.222, which is equal to 0.0002. So common difference D is not same. Here it is 0.02, here it is 0.002, here it is 0.0002. So the given numbers do not form an AP. When they don't form an AP, we cannot write next for three terms. Next, now we'll come to 11th bit. 11th bit is a comma a square comma a cube comma a power 4. That is the 11th bit. So here we are given first term a or a1 is equal to a, second term a2 is equal to a square, third term a3 is equal to a cube, fourth term a4 is equal to a power 4. To know whether these given numbers form an AP or not, we have to find common difference D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, A square minus A, which is equal to A is common in these two, A into A minus 1. Again, D is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to A cube minus A square. Here A square is common. If you take A square common, it is A square into A minus 1. Again, common difference D is equal to A power 4 A4 minus A3, which is equal to A power 4 minus A cube, which is equal to A cube is common, A cube into A minus 1. Common difference D is not same. Here A into A minus 1, here A square into A minus 1, here A cube into A minus 1. So common difference D is not same, therefore the given numbers do not form an AP. Now we'll come to 12th question. So 12th question is root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32 and so on. So here we are given first term a or a1 is equal to root 2, second term a2 is equal to root 8. Root 8 we can write it as 2 root 2. Root 8 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. Third term a3 is equal to root 18, which is nothing but 3 root 2. Fourth term a4 is equal to root 32, which is equal to 4 root 2. So now we will find common difference D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 root 2 minus A1 is root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2. We can write it as root 2. D is equal to A3 minus A2. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, which is equal to root 2. Again, D is equal to A4 minus A3. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, which is equal to root 2. So here common difference D is same. In first case also root 2, second case also root 2, third case also it is root 2. So common difference is same. Therefore these numbers form an AP. Therefore these numbers form an AP. Now we have to find next three terms. Next three terms are A5. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 4 root 2 plus D is root 2. D is root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2, which is equal to root 50. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. 5 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 6 root 2, which is equal to root 72. A7 is equal to A6 plus D, which is equal to 6 root 2 plus 7 root 2, which is equal to root 98. Now we come to 13th question. 13th question is root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12. So we are given a1 is equal to root 3, a2 is equal to root 6, a3 is equal to root 9 which is equal to 3, a4 is equal to root 12 which is equal to 2 root 3. Now we have to find common difference d. D is equal to a2 minus a1 which is equal to root 6 minus root 3. D is equal to a3 minus a2. So 3 a2 is a3 is 3 minus a2 is root 6. 3 minus root 6. D is equal to again a4 minus a3. 2 root 3 minus 3. Common difference D is not same. If common difference is not same, these numbers do not form an AP. Now we come to 15th question. 15th question is 1 square minus comma 5 square comma 7 square comma 73. You all know once we are given a1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25, a3 is equal to 7 square is equal to 49, a4 is equal to 73. To check whether these given numbers form an AP or not, we have to find common difference. If common difference is same, these numbers form an AP. If common difference is not same, these numbers do not form an AP. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. D is equal to A3 minus A2, that is 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. D is equal to A4 minus A3. So 73 minus 7 square is 49, 24. So common difference D is same in all the cases. So these given numbers form an AP. When they form an AP, we have to find next three terms. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 73 plus D is 24 which is equal to 97. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. That is 97 plus 24 is equal to 121. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. So which is equal to 121 plus D which is equal to 121 plus 24 which is equal to 145. And this is your today's homework.